Yes, now welcome again to another range of our Euroball yarns on top Football Republic based on the matter. This one, we talk plenty about European football and all the league matches that will happen over the weekend. Sad news for the big clubs for inside the Bordeaux Europe this weekend. The likes of PSG, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid and Barcelona. While be like Kokoshu for them this weekend. But we could start from inside the English Premier League. And because I get my guys inside the studio too, Jovita and Buchi, we could start from Manchester United match against Everton, Buchi. And you guys to talk about Ole Solsjaer. Wahala, they say it be like Kokoshu again. Wahala be like okra soup sometimes. For Ole Solsjaer, the problem now, I say, you been start a different 11. Edison Cavani, Anthony Martial, you start them, then they do well, they score goal. All of a sudden, second half, you come at them. You bring Ronaldo, you bring your highest money signing, Jadon Sancho, and you still not get results. Everton come back, voila, for Ole.
You know my problem with Ole Solsjaer? He no dey stubborn, he no believe in his own philosophy.
Yeah.
In the sense, say, he gets easily bullied by fans. People don't scream, why you bench Ronaldo? Why you bench Ronaldo? Why you bench? He can look, oh! Half time, they go pursue go away. Make so, bring Ronaldo enter.
One match they go on in the social media.
No, for stadium now. No. If you the crowd will shout, when Ronaldo they warm up, people they shout. The crowd will shout to bring Ronaldo in.
Why you bench
Ronaldo? So you know they about to bench Ronaldo. Like as a coach, you take responsibility because if things go south, now you then go blame.
Yeah.
But him he does puppets. You know what puppet mean?
Who is his puppet master?
Puppet master, Glazers. and the fans. I think Solskjaer need to be very, very stiff in your own idea. If you fail, you fail. If you succeed, you succeed. At the end of the day, now your head, everything go use tight day. Be a man, Ole Solsjaer.
And Sexy Joe, the worrying thing, I say pressure, no, they even come from the Glazers we mentioned, will be puppet master. Because more or less, this one, in second time when we drop points for Old Trafford, the first time against Aston Villa. Now, you even take the lead against Everton, but you allowed them. Last season, we see them na 3-3, then draw. This time, na 1-1, they draw. For me, I feel say, the likes of LVG, Jose Mourinho, they don't get this kind of opportunity where Ole Solsjaer they get. And they get the backing of the 92 boys them,
those idiots.
Gary Neville them,
those
Rio Ferdinand them. Then they criticize them like other coaches them when they criticize. He get plenty rope to take play with.
Make I tell you, Ole Solsjaer, now the coach. Yes, he no get the kind of opportunities, as in the others no get the kind of opportunities and the kind of time we say he gets to work with. But the truth be say he get fantastic squad. Result no go your way all the time. I don't know this why people they blame
fantastic
and say,
results.
He not supposed to. He supposed to be
Ronaldo. Fantastic result. 1-1 with Everton.
Coupled with where 1-1 with Everton na dummy. The most important thing be say you get the tools. Now how to use and now be the team.
So who
now
blame?
Where everybody they talk say
no,
because of since where Ronaldo come because them for carry only Ronaldo go play the whole match. No, them for more to Ronaldo into 11 go play the match.
You say since where we say in the get result. So
I say in they get result. He get the
result.
But the most important thing be say he get the squad. Ole Solsjaer go come good. Now just a matter of time.
Sexy.
What if he just he get the squad? Now still talking. He bring Ronaldo come. Ronaldo na the highest end.
For Buchi, she they say give her more time. How many more time we will give Ole Solsjaer?
But he's not doing badly now.
No. For me, Buchi, the problem what I get now say this same man don't spend over 500 million on transfers. He say he need defender, then bring him for him. He say he need winger, then bring him for him. Donny Van der Beek, he can't come, he know they play him. So what more time you need to start the achieve result? You don't jack come out from inside the League Cup. Now only 3 trophies now there for you, and 1 not even, in fact, 2 no they sure. The League and Champions League no they sure.
So
which Europe again, or which time Sexy Joe they talk about?
See, a time different for everybody part. And at the level of unambitiousness
from the club.
From the club.
Exactly.
Not even the fans. You know what I mean of unambitiousness? 200 graduates.
I don't know.
So like now because it vex me some kind of time when I see what thing they happen here. See Watford, don't be the sack their coach after 10 months.
Jusqu'au Munoz.
Because Watford no get patience. Watford no get patience.
Watford and Man U who spend money pass. Watford and Man U will get quality pass. On a good day, if you come and contemplate, say this no be Ole Solsjaer squad. This not in squad. They don't give you everything where you want. More players means more results. I don't know for Man U, me as an outsider, Man Solskjaer there for like 10 more years because Blair didn't get work to destroy the club. But as a
put
club,
there for mid-table.
we won't grow.
Chai.
Waiting Solskjaer don't do when Lampard not do double.
Exactly.
Which Chelsea sack Lampard. So people need to look, coach need to look and stop hiring all these.
They should allow him work. It is people like you now. They allow coach do him work. If they like, let them employ him since 1900. Allow him work. Give him room. Let him work.
Get yellow card,
Are you quiet now? Well, you still collect this one.
Thank you. Take it away.
Moving on to the next game, and Sexy Joe, based on saying you collect yellow card, make I start with you. Liverpool against Manchester City, fantastic match we'll see over the weekend. First half, no goals. It be like say they are two, they play tumba. But second half, the game come alive. Mohamed Salah, magical Mohamed Salah was fantastic on the night. And for Manchester City, Pep Guardiola twice in team day behind, then come back to equalize without a recognized striker. Even Gabriel Jesus was playing from the wings. You want to say these two managers show us class in terms of managerial tactics?
Definitely, two of them they top notch, and of course they showed that master class when the two of them been jam yesterday, and of course that one just show you now say we get very very top notch managers for inside the Premiership, just like the man they call Thomas Tuchel and some other coaches who say still the Premier League. But the fact remains say these two sides now very strong sides. Even shocked say Man City come from behind self come level up, you understand? Because I even expect say na Liverpool go just finish work. Wow. Because when you check the attack of Liverpool, you go feel say since when this one's no get top 9, na done deal. But for the fact say even with that say they no get that top 9, they still make sure say then come back and they still make sure say then draw this game. Shows the level where Pep Guardiola dey in terms of management. You understand? To manage team. And that one alone go really help him this time around because don't learn from him lesson. But I go still advise him, say make it try. I don't know I want to take do him. I don't know because for him, I feel say the level when one carry and go be say anybody feel score for my team. Now that level in one carry and go. So I no go begin to over depend on a particular person say now your work to score. So it can make a like that. But at the end of the day, go still help him because now the Liverpool will see last season at the same team, but different philosophy. Now they carry come this season and they're ready to fight to the last. So Pep Guardiola got to get his groove on.
And but you're talking about these two coaches still on this matter of these two coaches. More forget say they are two don't win trophies. Just blind your eyes to their trophies. Buchi, if you go pick based on that yesterday match, based on tactical savviness and how they handle their boys for that match, who you go give 10 over 10 or higher marks between the two coaches?
But the two coaches try.
Yeah.
But best way I would say I will give thumbs up because of the growth of his team. I give him to Jurgen Klopp. I give him to Klopp. Normally Pep, we know this, but Klopp and Liverpool pressed well. Look at their air side for midfield. That young one called Jones played fantastic football yesterday. Salah was good too. So I give him. I not say they talk say Klopp always get one mentality: pressing, get pressing. He pressed 2-4-7. And with the level they don't continue that pressing, don't use that win league. Though they used to fall off last year, but now they don't come up again. See, you have to respect Jurgen Klopp right now. He's one of the best managers in the world. Anytime in the for that match, you don't say them draw for house, but they get good chance to even win the game.
Exactly.
Klopp anytime, any day.
Klopp, Jurgen Klopp for Buchi anytime, any day. But moving on to the top 6 tables. Chelsea, they top with 16 points. Liverpool, they follow them with 15. Man City with 14. Manchester United still they try to top 4. The likes of Everton and Brighton, they still they try to want pick points to make sure say they don't fall off from inside the Premier League into the relegation. No, we'll not do number 7. Now top 6 we want. Surprise, Sexy Joe. Before we move on to other leagues.
Brighton.
Everton and Brighton, top 6, no Tottenham, no Leicester City, no Arsenal. Did it not shock you?
It not shock me because right from time, Everton they always show that working. So only say at the end of the day, maybe towards one season, one to the end or middle of season, they will begin to drop. So, and again, with the kind of coach we then get, talking about Rafa Benitez now one coach will be say, I respect very, very much because I know what that guy they bring to the table. And for him to handle this thing, despite all the small gist we don't hear say, it be like say quarrel one day, you know, amongst the players with him and all that, he still managed to keep that team together and then still they produce. It not surprise me say Everton day. It don't say for seasons why they expect Everton, when they mention top 5, top 6, make them they follow well as in if possible self go to top 3 but unfortunately something they happen along the way then they go down. Well, but for Brighton shock me pass. Shock me pass.
Thank you. I'm not surprised based on CB Arsenal fan.
Talk about Brighton. I think I would give accolades to Graham Potter.
Buchi na 7 matches.
No. No. In terms of say coach we sabi, I know you don't know 10 match what you sabi.
Really?
No, about be from Alateta we go win World Cup.
So you didn't
But now 3 games, Arsenal lose. Begin the
So Brighton now they go. Now yeah they go.
No. I didn't go far. More look at the history of Grand Potter. When they come Brighton. What did that club we did for Ostersund? Right there, where they beat Arsenal for the second leg of the Europa League. Him na coach, we say don't at least say in sabi what they do. When you see a good coach with the pattern, you go no. Brighton then do bad last season, but in some games then get some sparks. They were playing fantastically last season, though they were losing game, but they played well. This season, in lose Ben Black to Arsenal, and now
Ben White actually
to Arsenal, Toffee and Dunk and some other players took on step up. They get some Teletubbies so they in team. Mope, Trossard, McAllister, Medel, players who they play the same kind of football, but in a very beautiful way. See, Grand Potter, this guy.
Watch out for him.
Watch out for him. Let's go to Arsenal.
Wait now. After 7 games, we are counting.
And Sharply Moku go enter La Liga and make a start with you, Buchi. Atletico Madrid against Ronald Koeman, Barcelona.
God.
The wahala now for Ronald Koeman. Say he need to get result after international break. If not, you want to say maybe Barcelona go sack him. Though we don't hear, just we don't hear. And say Joan Laporta follow and talk. Don't say me no worry. Say me continue work. But Buchi, Champions League, your first 2 matches, you don't lose them. You chop 6 goals. La Liga, finally, you know, okay, Mo say your first loss, but the way we take lose was very, 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 very funny and weird for a Barcelona team.
Timmy,
Sir?
if one coach do bad, they say that accident. If 2 do bad, they say that incident. If 3 do bad, they say that coincidence.
We talked this thing last week.
See, the foundation for Barcelona, they broken.
So not be about the coach.
How many coach want they sack? Valverde, sack him.
Maybe if you get the right coach, you understand the club.
Sack him. Why don't they get the right coach? Who they appoint the coaches? Who they appoint the coaches?
Maybe then bring back Pep Guardiola.
Who they appoint the coaches?
Because let's take presidency.
Timmy.
And moreover, maybe you and Laporta appoint
Timmy.
Koeman.
Timmy, note. These coaches, they not be intern NYSC coaches.
Okay.
They were professional. We don't coach plenty teams before they come Barcelona.
Which big team Koeman don't coach apart from Southampton?
Netherlands national team.
Oh, Netherlands national. What did he achieve?
Everton, he coach Everton too.
What did he achieve with Everton?
It don't matter that the CV of where you go. And also, we need to know, say, because they sack manager, don't say go dent in CV. So many things that are behind the scene, we say we need to know. For manager's job. So Barcelona, their foundation, they broken. Them need to fix so many to Barcelona. For them, see, on a good day, forget the coaches. When look at the players Barcelona players get, they have one of the worst. I don't wait for close to that many years to back Barcelona, but I can't put them because I pity them. How can your strikers be Luke De Jong and Bright White? How?
And then they get Ousmane Dembele for bench. We get Wunjo. They get Ansu Fati now. Ansu Fati just the return too from Wunjo.
If you come out Memphis, they pay.
Okay.
You come out
even the pay self.
Frankie De Jong.
Even the pay self.
Wait.
You come Memphis, they pay.
Frankie De Jong.
You come maybe Frankie De Jong. Maybe come out Busquets. Come out double pick a little bit.
Okay.
And also Ter Stegen. You know who them be?
Who them be?
Customized Sheffield Wednesday.
Really?
Like very nonsense team. Look them where. No joke. They say Mepe go replace Messi. He don't decay now.
Waiting to talk now true. The foundation don't they faulty. And the mistake where they do, they always take them back to over dependence on a particular player. Now player don't come out everywhere, don't yakata. Now then they try to find way to fix it. Yes, they should have started rebuilding 10 years ago.
Really?
They shouldn't have waited till 21 years till the guy come out before they start to rebuild.
Like, what did they rebuild from 10 years ago?
How they take rebuild?
They sign players, youngsters.
How they take rebuild?
Sergio Roberto now one of the youngsters.
You they sign players. You use one particular player as the tree where hold everybody.
Sergio, and they talk about players. And they talk about players who coming from La Masia.
Okay, players who coming from La Masia. Get the Kahala Masia there.
The squad now.
What did they La Masia? Since you they brought people from La Masia.
Okay.
Now they've been La Masia because now everywhere don't scatter. I not just want to go the national team level because now the same thing where they happen even for our national team. How can you build a squad around one player for so many years? At the end of the day, you expect say when you come out that card, everybody no go for. Now the only thing they say the people where the pity pass be now the coaches where they come they go because now them now. Because they know that this country they don't go sack players. Now coaches they always take the brunt of the way they happen.
Thank you very much.
So sad. Ronald Koeman, It was anyway. Take heart.
Mokusia in Mata go with Barcelona.
Don't be saying Mata go. They don't tell us. They start. They take tell us they want Saka. They go Saka.
But the good news for them that say you and Laporta don't give them assurance. They may no worry. Continue your job.
I want to ask you something. Uncle. All the coaches where they talk say, don't worry, your job is safe. What did they happen? Ole, OGS, Ole gas.
Sexy Joe, Carlo Ancelotti. What's the problem there for them right now?
In fact, he's on fire.
Sheriff Tiraspol. No, more start from Villarreal. Now from Villarreal.
No, start from Mallorca because they won 6-1. So that's one should count for something.
Where their problem start from now? Villarreal. They draw 0-0 with Villarreal. Yes. Play Sheriff Tiraspol.
Just call them Sheriff.
Sheriff can't beat them for house. This time they can't travel go away, go play Espanyol. They still lose. Problem for Carlo Ancelotti.
In fact, if they don't tell you where Florentino Perez, they're not going to look at Ancelotti, one name. Give one name, Ifa. And they tell you serious problem for Real Madrid and of course for Carlo Ancelotti. Sometimes I wonder why some coaches they go back to their vomit, but it's so unfortunate. Say this thing we call Bogri. If they make some people, they know they even reason say na fire then they won't enter.
Real Madrid now big club too. Exactly. Like to go back to
it doesn't really matter. See, a club will be say at a point in time from one bad result to the other, your job no dey safe again. That safe again. That one no be better club. You understand? Because for Florentino Perez, na Syria winner him be. He dey expect say as you dey come, whether win. You dey go, they come, you dey win. And now wetin he dey expect? Anytime we say he bring these coaches come, this man no be my coach now. Ancelotti no be small coach. Just like Zidane, I saw Zidane self Zuzuru Werebia. Come, you see how in second come he take end, and now this one self don't come. But the positive thing there be say they get some fantastic players. But one good thing is, as they always talk, if you get good squad, now just to pinpoint where on a weakness, where the problem dey, and correct. And Carlo Ancelotti, as I tell you, na man wey sabi. So he know where and where. Now just to work on those areas, then get good thing. Camavinga, then get even though Vinicius sometimes they play for the opponent and not Real Madrid and all that. Karim Benzema dey there, he dey score goals. So now just a matter of time. Then go come back. But the thing where they there be say the question now be say, Chef Florentino Perez go get that patience.
Yeah, he go get the patience
because you know because you be Real Madrid fan.
Coming to you for the Ligue 1. Messi play, Mbappe play, Neymar play. In fact, the guys come on Neymar for inside 76 minutes or thereabout. But first time in Ligue 1 this season, PSG lose their first match. Their first loss in 9 games. They don't win their first 8 actually. But maybe like we don't see this one they come all along for Pochettino and also for these stars.
You know what? I watched this match well, but Messi no play bad though. Messi actually hits the post. He play well. But you know what? If a Messi day inside the team, if the team lose, now Messi then go blame. Because now who him be? If you win, they carry you for head. If you lose, then carry you for head. René just sits back and counter PSG. And then play that countering game perfectly well, okay. Now can they look whether this Pochettino get brain as a coach. Because they lack saying get brain. Honestly, I know they brag about that. Me, Buchi, I always back here. I go coach better than Pochettino. Makachuku. This Pochettino, he no ready. He no gets the experience. He no get the maturity and tactical wise to coach a team filled with egotistic players.
Oh boy,
totally agree.
He no get them
for the first time.
I do come every day to manage married men, rich men. It's not easy. These guys can buy Pochettino. It's not easy. That's why when I go talk one to say this coaching god they take your life, and at the end of the day too, Neymar don't they horrible the past 7 games. Nobody talk anything. Now Pochettino go sack because the players are part and parcel of the club.
Pochettino when no say Neymar don't dey inform. First off, nobody work to make the player come back to form.
He don't know him work.
If I thought say why not he bench him?
That is sabi. I think see when you get big players, you need a big coach. A coach we don't go there, we don't do him. When the coach talk, players go keep quiet.
Listen.
But you're a good player. He play for PSG too, but he no blow. He blow small. This PSG team they cry for a coach like Zidane if they can get Zidane. I love Conte, but Conte will call it all of them. He go win, but he go fight with all of them. Now I like Conte. Bring Zidane come and PSG go achieve greatness.
Kamaldeen Sulemana, and I have the player we shine for that match, and for Bundesliga, a bad result for Bayern Munich. Themselves lose their first match for this season for Julian Nagelsmann. In lose and for a house, in fact, now them scatter ticket pass. Them Real Madrid and PSG. Sevilla say follow scatter ticket. But Moku says that one will go match week for this weekend na international break. So Bayern Munich will still wait for like 2 weeks. Then PSG and Real Madrid to bounce back from their defeats. Moving on, Moku Shepali talk about Naija Star players, and Moku start from our players. Them will shine over the weekend. Sexy Jamaica start with you. Kelechi Iheanacho score on a birthday. The third Nigerian man to do this kind of thing after JG Okocha and Martins Obafemi. And you want to say good one for the birthday boy, Kelechi Iheanacho, a.k.a. Senior Man Kells.
A fantastic one for him, because for Kelechi, but I've been staunch. How did they take talk? I like his style of play. I like the kind of player where in be, and of course, they always be one of those where we say they feel bad for him when they bench him, because everybody know what's in this guy they bring to the table. So it's very, very unfortunate. Say Brendan Rodgers maybe not they see waiting people they see for where Kelechi they, but I happy say he decide to play him. This last weekend, and of course, he come. In fact, he start time against alongside Jamie Vardy, and of course, he can't still score. But where the birthday, where Shana still in birthday, cost point, and when those ones come from behind, score two, and of course, can level up. But fantastic one, because now birthday we go give him.
Yeah, talking about Taiwo Awoni, scored 2 goals against his former club, Mainz 05. Good way, and they don't invite him for national team too.
100%. I like the growth of Taiwo Awoniyi. This time man will be saying go through some tough times.
Yeah.
But don't be about you for now you take stand up. I think he not score like is it 6 or 5 Bundesliga goal this season. Consistency. I think 5 right there for Taiwo Awoniyi. So I take Taiwo. I like players so they go from down to up.
Yeah.
Down to up, good one, and from there, Moku move on to one-on-one. This matter we'll go talk about today. We will talk about Mohamed Salah, where they ask for £500,000 per week. While nowadays, because the bros now they shine. I mean, one of the highest goal scorer for Liverpool for this season, but £500,000 per week. Make I start with Buchi.
100%. How much is £500,000 to Liverpool?
Wow.
Per week.
On a good day, I can pay that to Salah. Salah don't pay in dues to Liverpool. Consistency. For the past 4 years, don't score plenty goals. Don't score 100+ goals. If Salah didn't learn Liverpool, they don't use that breakdown.
Based on what team play yesterday.
And what did they play yesterday? Fantastic boy. So Salah don't pay in dues to Liverpool. On a good day. No.
That's right.
If they appreciate Salah, they're supposed to pay him the money when he deserves. How much is £500,000
per week?
How much is £500,000?
Thank you, Buchi.
To pay your player, your most consistent player. Think about it.
And Sexy Joe, you think saying deserve him?
Deserve waiting.
500,000.
Waiting he deserve
per week.
If we dey talk of consistency, they talk of waiting he bring to the table. What happens to Sadio Mane? Sadio Mane no bring you home.
You know how £500,000 now. That's my problem.
You know and waiting.
You know
see,
money now.
if your club and Liverpool won't bring disunity and problem for that team, I bet me they give him £500. You go begin to see the wonders. If Liverpool finish top 4, man, no nyawom. And they tell you, no, say no be missing down here. See, because these players, it happened in Chelsea. Was it Chelsea? No. Man United.
Yeah.
Alexis Sanchez come. Everybody begin make demands. And before he said Jack Robinson, dressing room no scatter.
Jack or Robinson.
Jack or Robinson. Now, when I say give Salah.
But based on waiting, Salah don't do so far this season.
So are you now downgrading what Mane has done so far?
On a good to see, make I tell you something.
100 for Liverpool.
Make I tell you something.
What will be the difference? Not be the same league. They score the goal. I be go score outside.
Let him talk.
Let me talk now. See me, not be everybody know their worth.
Are you serious?
No. Some people they very humble. They don't want money. They be humble Smith.
Really?
Are you
So if
serious?
Salah is coming out to say he wants more money, no be money problem. Make money to go out for money too.
But what if Jovita they talk now? Say you know go cause rift for inside the team.
Cause which team?
Jordan Henderson.
Even the team.
Which Jordan Henderson
That's
never signed new
English
contract.
player.
Who said that to Salah? Are you kidding me?
I am just saying.
It's not body.
Him not the captain.
What if he is nobody? That guy's contribution to Liverpool. In fact, it will never be underrated.
Salah.
Okay, but what
serious?
Jovita they talk now? Say if you start they pay Salah 500,000, other players like Van Dijk, Alisson,
They should get out.
You don't even mention that.
They should get out. They should all get lost.
Get lost.
So you will play Salah for defense.
Who can they play for Liverpool?
Salah for midfield.
Only
Salah
Salah
for attack.
and Egyptian can play. Egyptian FC. Bring Egyptian team. The moment they come play. So leave Salah alone. You know him what?
I disagree. Don't pay him that 500,000
pounds. Sell him.
Salah feel say in at the top player right now in the English Premier League.
Yeah.
Remember, say before he become permanent stay for inside Liverpool, he work out some kind work out too. From Chelsea to Roma on loan, Roma on loan, then go carry him. Why you no go come out? Why no go come out? Why no go come out? He must come out.
Please give.
I don't talk finish.
Thank you very much, guys.
Even the water, even the
Saying
candle.
Machuk here and Machuk I put for today's edition. Till I enter Naija again next time. And I remember to subscribe to our channel, Football Republic NG, on top YouTube. And don't forget, say if you get this podcast for every of your platform where you always get podcasts from Spotify and the rest of the Buchi Redcast there.
You don't get a yellow card.
Till we enter Naija again next time. Men I remain Kaja, men I do well. My name is Sitandaz, the one and only, the first and the best. Nobody contest. PG commentator of the Federal Republic.
It's after yellow card more.
Signing out. Now bye bye.
It is after yellow card.
Football Republic.